Imagine having the most powerful punch on Earth, the fastest strike of any animal alive, eyes that see colors that don't even have names in human language. Now imagine spending your entire life alone in a hole. That's the mantis shrimp, the most overpowered, over-engineered, overbuilt creature in the ocean, built by evolution like something from a comic book, and somehow, against all logic, living one of the most depressing lives in the animal kingdom. This is its story, and by the end, you'll feel genuinely sorry for it. This is TheWildFile. Let's start with what everyone knows. The punch. The mantis shrimp strikes with the force of a speeding bullet. Its club accelerating at 10,000 times the force of gravity, reaching 50 miles per hour from a standing start in under 3 milliseconds. For context, that's faster than a .22 caliber bullet leaving a gun. The impact is so powerful it creates cavitation bubbles, pockets of superheated plasma that collapse with enough force to stun or kill prey even when the punch itself misses. It has literally 2 chances to kill you per strike, the punch, and then the shockwave from the punch. This strike is so devastating that mantis shrimp have been known to break aquarium glass with a single blow. Not crack, break. You'd think this makes life easy. You'd be wrong. Now, the vision. Humans have 3 types of photoreceptors: red, green, blue. The mantis shrimp has 16. It can see ultraviolet light, infrared light, and circularly polarized light, a type of light that travels in spirals that no other animal on Earth can detect. Scientists spent years assuming this meant the mantis shrimp saw an impossibly rich, complex version of the world, colors we can't even imagine, a visual experience beyond human comprehension. Then they ran the actual tests. The mantis shrimp is actually worse at distinguishing between similar colors than humans are. It doesn't use its 16 photoreceptors to see more colors. It uses them to instantly recognize specific signals, like a barcode scanner, without needing to process complex color comparisons. It doesn't see a richer world than we do. It sees a simpler one, faster. All that visual hardware, 16 photoreceptors, ultraviolet detection, the most complex eyes of any living animal, and the mantis shrimp uses them to recognize whether something is food or a mate as fast as possible, without thinking about it. Evolution gave it the most sophisticated camera ever built, and it uses it as a motion detector. Here's where it gets genuinely sad. The mantis shrimp spends most of its life hidden in a burrow or crevice, only leaving to hunt or find a mate. That's it. That's the whole life. Burrow, hunt, occasionally mate, return to burrow. Most mantis shrimp are solitary. They are so aggressive that placing 2 together almost always ends in one killing the other. They cannot coexist. Not with their own species, not with anything. When mantis shrimp do leave their burrow, they are highly aggressive, engaging with other inhabitants in fights for territory. Their primary social interaction is combat. Every time a mantis shrimp leaves its hole, the world responds with a fight. Every creature it meets is either food or a threat. There is no middle ground. There is no company. There is no rest. Just the burrow, and occasionally violence. Now, for an animal this deadly, finding a mate presents a unique problem. How does a mantis shrimp know when another mantis shrimp it meets wants to mate rather than commit a murderous assault? They've evolved elaborate display systems, invisible patterns visible only to other mantis shrimp, to signal non-lethal intent. Think about what that means. Before it can reproduce, a mantis shrimp has to convince another mantis shrimp, an animal wired to kill everything it encounters, that it specifically does not want to kill this one particular individual right now. And it has to do this using colors that humans cannot see, signals that evolved purely to solve this problem. Some mantis shrimp species do mate for life, sharing a burrow for 15 to 20 years, raising eggs together, hunting for each other. These are the lucky ones, the exception. Most mantis shrimp mate briefly, then separate, then return to their burrow, alone. There's one more thing. The punch, that bullet-force strike that can break aquarium glass, cannot be used against other mantis shrimp. In territory disputes with other mantis shrimp, they don't use their full strike. Instead, they engage in ritualized combat, controlled exchanges of lighter blows to establish dominance without killing each other. The most powerful punch in the ocean, and it can't use it on the only other creature that matters, its own species. Researchers found that in 30 out of 34 observed contests, the winner wasn't the one with the most powerful punch. It was the one who landed the most strikes.
All that power, and it wins fights with persistence, not strength.
The mantis shrimp has the most powerful punch of any animal. Eyes that see colors that don't exist in human experience. A strike faster than most things alive. And it lives alone, in a hole, in the dark, at the bottom of the ocean. It leaves that hole to fight, or occasionally, very carefully, to mate. Then it returns to the hole. Evolution spent 400 million years engineering the mantis shrimp. It gave it every weapon, every superpower, every advantage. And then it gave it a life where none of that matters. Because the ocean doesn't reward being powerful, it rewards being alive. And the mantis shrimp, despite everything it has, is just trying to make it to tomorrow, like the rest of us. This is The WildFile. Subscribe. New case every day.